Drizzy got the money, so Drizzy gon' pay it. Those my brothers, I ain't even gotta say it. That's just something
they know. They know, they know, they know.
Yeah.
Nano, nano, nano. Okay. How's that for an open? We are on the Action 5 Pro right now, 4K 30, 4.3, rock steady, negative 0.3 exposure value. We're on normal 10-bit color as well, and we're rocking bare bones, all auto. We're riding auto 200 to 8,000 right now on the shutter speed, 1 to 1600 on the ISO. We're on the DJI Nano right now that is strapped to the lanyard. It's like a little shrimp cocktail right now. It's literally like a little fried calamari. It's literally like a little dumpling. It's literally like a French fry, a potato wedge, a thick cut steak fry. I really appreciate all the support during this Vlogmas, but for my last video about this camera, I know there were a couple mistakes that I made, but that's the whole point of all of this, is just learning from mistakes. I wanted to get my morning routine a little bit. First, we're just gonna start with a little bit of a fit check. You guys seen me unbox these hats. This is the washed hat. This is my first time wearing it with the art logo and the Marlboro little chevron there. We've got AUG 11 Co here on the side, and I believe that's it. I'm loving this hat with a nice just black tee, kind of oversized, blue jeans, and black socks. That's the fit for today. And then we're gonna pop on just a little coat because it is still cold out here in Chicago. I'm gonna be drinking up this protein shake. This is my favorite brand of protein shake. It's called OWN. This has 32 grams of protein. Ooh, this might be a mistake later as well too that I'm gonna learn from, but I'm taking the Red Bull to work just to have that midday little spriteness. So another drink that I found a long time ago, kind of one of those Instagram buys, was this right here, Leisure Hydration. So Leisure Hydration is non-carbonated electrolyte refresher. I'm just reading the label right here for you. Hydrating electrolytes, 10 vitamins and nutrients, magnesium and ashwagandha for mood, and then no fake stuff. So I want to talk a little bit more about the Nano before we head out really quick. Again, I have it on the lanyard right now. You can see my point of view right here. I also have the small rig half cage with my monitor inside, and I just want to really use that to frame up my shots. So I don't know if you can really see the grid lines on here, but I've got the triangle pointed right at my Action 5 Pro. So that way everything looks kind of cool in this angle. So I know my boy Brendan said that the Nano has made the Action 5 obsolete for him, but he is having a hard time wanting to sell the Action 5 Pro. I'm just gonna go ahead and say, I'm not selling the Action 5 Pro. If I do, it'll be to sell it to a friend or someone who wants to get started in vlogging. And I'll sell it to them maybe for a good deal and then figure out what to do from there. But I've got this camera set up exactly how I want it. I've got the fisheye, not the fisheye, I don't want to call it that because it's not really that, but this is the field of view boost lens right here. And I've been rocking that for a little while now. I haven't taken it off because it is screw on, and it's a little bit of a pain to keep screwing things onto your camera. But I will say that I love this lens because it gives me that extra wideness if I need it. It gets all of me in frame from top to bottom, side to side, and then a little bit more of the setting that I'm in. So that's why I love that lens on the Action 5 Pro. And the Action 5 Pro to me is still that camera that can do it all. When I talk about versatility in the Osmo, it's amazing, but the Action 5 Pro still has all of that versatility as well with the things you can connect to it, the things you can do. And I know the 6 can do it all and a little bit extra, but the Action 5 Pro is something I learned on. It's something that I really feel comfortable with. It's my tool. It's not even the thing that I feel like is gonna make my video better most of the time, but it does. It's just my storytelling device, right? It's like we tell stories around these cameras and we tell stories with these cameras. And I want to continue to do that. We're here to talk about the DJI Nano. The versatility, again, is just amazing. The thumb size king, I'm calling it. And maybe the A-cam replacer for some people. So let's go. We're gonna hit the city now. almost to the end of the day right now. I'm just getting all the footage that I can and showing you guys where you can go with this thing, what you can do with it, and how easy it is to walk around with it. What up, bud? Yo. Check out this little camera.
Oh, that's pretty sick. How many megapixels?
It's the same exact as my other one, but it's cool because it can detach.
Oh shit.
So you can see it from right there. So I can literally put it anywhere.
This 4K?
Yeah.
That's tiny.
4K 430.
That's pretty sick.
Or
That's the one that you shoot
at
out regularly.
No, this is a different one. But I can detach it and put it. I have a lanyard that goes, so I can like just get like cool POVs. So I was like, instead of carrying like the cube around, yeah. Yeah, buddy. All right, we just got home, gonna get ready to eat and do some editing. We're just watching Chris.
Kendra, thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Happy
Let me
holidays
see if
as well.
he answers me.
Message
Chris,
retracted.
Did
Hi,
Revolver
I got 2 hours,
ever
4K, 24
put
FPS with
that
the Vision Dog connected.
Danish
My words here are blending in with the
menu?
bottom of your guys' questions, and I also can't read, so there's that.
Let's hope he answers this.
I've never had an issue with overheating at all, Burka. What about the focus peaking feature in the DJI Mimo app? I read once about it on their official online store.
Oh my gosh, I was not recording. I didn't look at the red light. I'm so annoyed right now. I had a really cool angle like this that I wanted to show you. I asked Chris 2 questions about what shutter speeds he uses. He did answer one of my questions about what shutter speed he uses on here and also like his settings. I know he said he rides full auto, but he answered my question about what shutter speed he uses, because sometimes I use 1/100 to 8,000, 1/200. I started going manual on the Action 5 Pro, but I haven't done that yet with this one. So I'm not shooting D-Log. Right now I'm shooting normal, and the reason for that is it took me forever to export my last video. I don't know what was going on. So I went with normal color today. He answered another question. I asked him, did he ever put a Danish he was thinking about on his menu at Revolver, and he didn't. So Chris, put the Danish on the menu. Thank you, buddy. All right, so this is gonna be our last shot for Vlogmas. I wanna show you all the ways that you can utilize this camera. I said earlier that I will always love the Action 5 Pro. That's the camera that is the foundation of my YouTube. That's the camera that I learned on. And when you learn on certain things that you start to feel comfortable with, it's always hard to go back, or not really go back. It's always hard to move on and try other things. It took me a long time to even make a decision on if I was even gonna buy a new camera. I did the research, I asked really good friends, especially a lot of you here on YouTube. So I just wanted to get this cool little setting, close out this episode, especially since it's during Vlogmas, and give a little bit of a festive spirit. And really just encourage you guys to keep creating. And I think what you guys can really take away from all this is just pick up the camera that feels good in your hand, the camera that makes you feel excited to want to do all this. And I think if you do that, you're gonna have a great time. You're gonna grow as a person, you're gonna grow as a vlogger, you're gonna grow as a YouTuber, and you're gonna just get better at articulating yourself, and just being able to really push the boundaries of the creativity that you have inside of you. So I want to encourage you to do that. Love you guys. Have a great Vlogmas. We'll see you in the next one. As always, stay human.